Good morning, Philippines! Good morning, world! We are here at the Flamengo station at the Metro of Rio de Janeiro, and we are counting the hours until the highlight of the World Youth Day, which is the Vigil with the Holy Father. So right now, Filipino pilgrims from the official Philippine delegation and from other groups are walking a 9-kilometer journey from Central Station until Copacabana Beach. The venue of the vigil was moved from Campus Fidei because of very bad conditions that would really be good for the health of the pilgrims, so it's moved to Copacabana Beach, and now we are going to get our food packs so that we'll be able to have something to eat for the vigil. So guys, stay tuned. Though pilgrims are not really obliged to stay overnight at Copacabana Beach because it's really expected to be very cold. Most of Filipino pilgrims are going to be there in real pilgrim mode to spend a night in prayer. So guys, stay tuned and follow more World Youth Day updates. This is Nirvana de la Cruz reporting for Youth Pinoy.